Previously on TWiT.
A stunning Star Wars shirt, I might add.
Rebel Alliance symbols. It's got all-terrain armored transports.
It doesn't pick sides.
Only a Sith believes in absolutes.
Yes.
This is my permanent Star Wars, so I think I got you.
Whoa!
Tech News Weekly.
I just got the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra.
That is a mouthful.
And
is
it's
it also a handful?
Yeah!
Yes.
Ding, 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 ding. You got it.
Windows Weekly.
So clear at this point that Trump is completely puppet mastering this TikTok thing. Because now you've got Oracle in the mix.
It will slot in right between their database products. And what the hell does this company even make? Who cares?
Java.
Mac Break Weekly.
I think both Apple and Epic forget in this that they are responsible for a huge dependency for many other. Yeah, and if either Apple or Epic does anything to jeopardize the Unreal Engine, it's not just them who suffer.
Hands-on Android.
Today, I want to talk you through side-loading of apps. There are times when you might want an app outside of the Play Store. Take Fortnite, for example.
TWiT. Some assembly required.